Right, legends, we're back with beer reviews with the BeerSarge. This is one that I've been trying to find for a while, and it's just turned up at Liquorland. I've only just found it, and it is a local brewery from down in Warkworth, or Lee, Warkworth, Lee. I don't know. They seem to have a. I think Warkworth and Lee have a They don't know whether they're Auckland or they're not. Like they're sort of out of Auckland, but they're not Auckland, but pretty much every Aucklander lives there. So this one here. It's a Sawmill. Let's see if we can get it to focus on this. Sawmill. What the fucking... There you go. Check that out. Alright. Show you that. Then we're going to read it. Sawmill Aotearoa, or Aotearoa, depending on where you come from. IPA. Series number 17. Hazy Riwaka. So it's a hazy Riwaka. Riwaka is one of the best New Zealand hops. I think. You know, you've got Waiti, and there's tons of other New Zealand hops which are among the best hops in the world. And that's not just me saying that. That is the world saying that. The world cannot get enough of New Zealand hops. And probably now with no COVID, they probably really want them. But anyway, this is Sawmill's Aotearoa IPA series number 17, Hazy Riwaka. Loaded up with Riwaka, this IPA has a big punchy grapefruit, passion fruit and tropical aromas. You know that I like that, so let's see if this lives up to its name. I'm picking it well. I met the head brewer of Sawmill the other day, or not the other day, but a few months ago at a mate's piss up actually, and he was a fucking decent bloke. And I know there's a couple of subscribers there that are like, you should fucking review some Sawmill. And I'm like, I fucking have. I even gave a whole lot away as a fucking giveaway. And now I'm doing one of these, a hazy IPA. Here's the pour. Well, it's looking nice. So it's a fairly light sort of a brew. Bit of a haze through there. Oh, I can fucking smell that. And the fan's not even on, and it's just wafting out of this cold snack tin into this glass and over to me nostrils. Oh fuck, that smells so good. So that smells, well, it has got there's a bit of a danky sort of a smell there, so a bit of a dank smell, but definitely a dank fruit. Yeah, I'm even getting sort of rock melon sort of shit, like watermelon skins and rock melon skins. Oh yeah, alright. So let's have a fucking snoz of this. So this is Sawmill's Aotearoa IPA series number 17. Must be 16 others of these that I haven't tried. Who'da knew? Who'da knew? Right, sniff. Done it. Taste. That's good. It's got fruit, like there's fruit in there, but it's subtle, like it's right at the back. I get bold, really bold. I want to say meaty. Feels it like it's not. It doesn't taste like you're drinking meat, but it's got a real fuck off. It's got a real, I don't know how to describe it. It's got a real meaty substance to it. So it's got the fruit notes are there in the background. The malt flavour is really yeah. I don't know how to describe it. It's not. It doesn't taste like malt. It's almost a savoury flavour. It's got a savoury flavour to it, but within that fruit in the background, it's fucking really awesome. Like it's a really different sort of flavour, and it's good. I dig it. It's good. So it's a I think it's a savoury flavour with fruit notes at the back, and that is pretty unique. So have a crack at this one. This is around about that $4.99 mark down at your local, and yeah, give that a crack. That's a good one. All right, that's another beer review from the BeerSarge.